made? Let's find out.
How is it made?
A teddy bear.
Well, I'm here in a big teddy bear shop. Just look how many teddy bears there are.
There are lots of different types of teddy bear.
Today we're going to see how a teddy bear just like this one is made. Hello, Teddy. And making a teddy bear all starts with the fur. This teddy's fur is made from something called mohair, which comes from a goat, a type of goat called an Angora goat. Next to the teddy bear shop is the teddy bear factory, and these are all the rolls of mohair. There are so many different colours. This is Ian, and Ian's going to cut out the shape of the new teddy bears in the mohair using this big machine. Ian uses a different cutter for each part of the teddy bear, and he's starting with the teddy bear's heads. It's like a giant set of biscuit cutters, and he uses the big machine as a press. Here we are, and look, can you see the little holes here and here? That's where the teddy bear's eyes are going to go.
Next, Ian cuts out some teddy bear bodies.